Welcome back to my channel. I am here to reply, just a quick reply to one of our brother. I don't know if a brother or a sister that made a comment on my video that I posted about Commander Holy Ghost. And his handle here on YouTube is at Freedom TV 311. This person says something very, very interesting. In fact, the accusation that he laid on me is what I'm here to debunk. So it's gonna be a quick video. And why I'm putting this in the video, because I have seen similar comments, people who misunderstand what I'm saying. When I say that I'm neutral, does not mean that I have to side one person, and because you guys always make a stand. Where do you stand? One place. Let us know where you believe, where you stand, and all that. I have something to say about it, and in fact, why I decided to respond to this comment, this particular one, because the person said that he had been following my video lately. So I believe that if you do follow my video, you will not add some of the things you said here. But let's go through the comment that he have. He said, "Kai, I have been following your videos late. You understand? I've been following your video of late. Here are some of my observations. You are pretending you are neutral, but in every of your video, you attack the side you do not like. Here are some key points from some of your videos. Starting from this video, you try to propagate and elevate ethnic division in this struggle by picking the reaction of Akbara Wasani on some Igbos without referring the attacks he received for being a bomb that triggered him." Okay, here you accept that he was triggered. Okay. Two, you said you accused Commander Holy Ghost of sending these videos to his people, referring Sonny again, referencing that Commander Holy Ghost is not Igbo, but Akwa Ibom again. You try to cause division, but you forgot to tell your listeners that Commander Holy Ghost is the commander in Oso, that is the epicenter of Nigerian military air and land bombardment now for more than 1 year. Third, you accuse the overall commander of BDF, the strength of Biafran liberation of attacking PM because on certain occasions he had contra view with PM. What was your intention? 4, you sarcastically titled this video "Biafran Army Will Take Over." You did not see any other good title with all the sense he made in that entire video. 5, I hope you have watched the video of the new propaganda of our supposed men on ground from our COS are making. Please ask them if they started drinking the Gary few days after PM arrest, because that was when success was suspended by our COS, by your COS. Or was PM eating their money and giving them Gary? I hope you can see how desperate the people you are supporting can be in a bid to divide our men on ground. They can run such a propaganda suddenly after PM arrest. Video are now flying that men on ground are no longer eating. Please, next time, make your position clear that you are against our men on ground for speaking up against anybody planting an infiltrator in their mindset. I don't know what I mean by that. Okay, and to cause their downfall. Stop pretending you are neutral and be attacking one side in your videos. Smart Biafrans are watching and listening to all of you. Also, please take your time to read through your comments so that you will know if you are on the right track, right path or not. 90% of the comments here support our men on ground, which is the right thing to do. Now, let me tell you, my dear, I don't know if you're a man or a woman. Like I said, one of the reasons why I'm making this video is not for any other reason, but you say that you have been watching me, but I can tell you categorically clear here that you are not following me. You don't know anything about my videos. because there is no other person posting stuffs about Igbo people or Biafrans that post, update information about different division army more than me. I challenge you to bring any platform on here on YouTube that I am the one that started posting this Commander Holy Ghost more than any other person. Any of his videos that I see, even the one that he made, the other one that is circulating, even the Sonny you are talking about posted on his, Sonny took it here, download it from my platform here. I have no personal problem with the Sonny. He said you are watching me, you are following me. I started by telling you that I hold him in a high esteem. I am highly disappointed with what he has turned out to be. You talked about bringing people, talking about people on social media between COS that you claim that I'm not fighting, and Sona Parawa and his camp. Who started bringing this issue on social media? You overlooked it, and you think that people should just, marry the way because it pleases you. Now listen, I am neutral because I can post any video from Sona Akbarawa. If Sona Akbarawa have anything, I will help you put it here. Why? I want people to know what they're doing, and if you take side, it will blindfold you from seeing truth from what others are doing. Do you understand it? So I'm not here for anybody. Nobody paid me any money. Some of you accuse me that I'm actually making money here. That's what I'm. No, I said okay. The people that you are following, have they demonetized their own? Now you said that I hate men on ground. That is another lie from pit of hell. And from what you are saying, I believe that you are part of the men on the ground, because for you to know where Holy Ghost command from, and I don't know that, you are the one saying it here, not me. I don't know those things. Do you understand? So it simply means that you know more than I do. But I'm not against men on ground. If that is the dangerous part of the whole problem, because if you say you have been watching me, I also said that COS, for you to refuse to accept what Butuzo said, that it is wrong because you are endangering their life. They are the one to tell you who they can work with and what. I said it here on my video. So you did not see those parts, but you are very busy picking points of Sona Power come from not Igbo and all that. Now you made mention of that. Let me tell you this, because one of the reasons why I find it embarrassing that Sonny choose to highlight Igbo. Sonny's voice. Let me tell you this. Sonny's comment or his voice supersede any voice on comment section. If somebody come to Sonny, for example, and said that Akwa people are thieves and all that, Sonny should know how to address that person direct, not Igbo people. That person, of course, if you see that kind of thing, I will condemn it, because that person is bringing division and trying to, put things in a way that is funny. You understand? Because when I said that Sonny, that Commander Holy Ghost send video to people that he want, the question you should ask yourself, ask me, where do I normally get his video? From his own handle direct. I went there, I did not see the video. So I'm not saying something that I don't know, but guess what? People have started sharing the video. Until this moment, that video is not on his handle. You don't just wake up and start saying something that you don't know. And I know, let me not go deep about it because I don't want to trigger something. But one thing you need to understand is that I don't just wake up and say something because I want to say it. There's reason behind it. And saying that I hate men on, I don't hate anybody. I don't even hate anybody at all. I may hate what you are saying or what you are doing, but that doesn't mean that I hate you. They are two different things. Hate is a very, very strong word anyway. And you said that I accuse overall commander. I don't know the commander you're talking about that I accuse. Because for you to say that somebody accused somebody simply means that person said, maybe I said something that the person did not say, or that I preached something that is against what the person meant to say, or something like that. So I would like you to highlight on that. You said that my title here is a kind of sarcasm or something like that, that I just trying to, pretend that I did not see any sense in what he said on the video. Did he say that military will take over or not on that video? Did he tell you that if things get worse, or maybe if the things get out of hand, that Butoso will take control. Did he say that or not? So why is it an offense when I quote him the way he said it? So why are you picking fight on me because of that? Then is number 5 of your message here. You said, I hope you are watching the video of new propaganda. No, I watched the video, to be honest, from another Rama this evening. I saw that, but I did not watch the whole clip. But anything is possible on social media, so I cannot bring that video here and start telling you the same share it, because it's not verified yet. This is first time I'm seeing or hearing anything about it. So the way you yourself are surprised, that's why I'm surprised. So you don't expect me to come here and say, oh, you see that like you, if I'm taking side that you are claiming that I am, I will, next video should have been, oh, thank you, see, these people are not paying our feeding army and all that. That is taking side. But did you see any video like that here? No, because I want to calm down to observe what is going on before I can comment on it. This is how you guys, bounce on people and claim that you know the person better than the person know himself, know themselves. Because I think everything you are saying here now, you are saying it out of sentiment. The same you that are accusing me of being, that I'm somehow judgmental and something like that. But you are the one doing it here. You are judging me and accusing me, thinking that you are trying to clear air. Anyway, I have made it clear to you, I don't support evil. And if you see that I'm attacking, or if you feel that I'm attacking one group, it simply means that I've seen more evil in what they're doing than maybe what you yourself feel about them. I see it because none of you, that is the why taking side is very, very bad. None of you are even accept that bringing Gaddafi back is wrong. Seeing DOS, how they are singing praises of some people that most of you love, and attacking the other person that most of you hate. So seeing that kind of thing, somebody that hate PM with everything, people who, if you ask them now, they will sign petition to make sure they hang PM. Seeing people that are claiming they're working with PM, okay, working hand in hand with that kind of people is okay with you. But somebody who you think that is going to commit a crime is whom you are focusing on attacking, and I don't understand it. I'm not saying that army should not make their stand, but you see, sometimes when you want to make your stand on some certain things, you may, even though you are right, but that your right should not, you don't need to demand for that your right at that point in time, because it may bring danger to other things that matter. I said that on PCOS, and I'm saying the same thing on Sonny Abarawas and their camp, because all of them want to be relevant. They want their name to be heard. That's just the fact. Both COS and Abarawa group and all that, they are all the same. But the only difference is that COS is going in line with what PM has said in public, that is the way things should be done, than what most of you are saying today. So, like, most of you are claiming that, oh, she just dissolved cabinet. Now we are now hearing that they have already set up cabinet, people that we make sure that the transition government is successful. They will have cabinet already for transition government, but most of you are now, you ignore that to criticize her for dissolving the cabinet. I'm not. If you ask me, I will tell you that dissolving the cabinet is wrong. But I will say that because I don't know the crime of those that are in cabinet that they want to change have committed. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying, because you see a commander like Commander Holy Ghost telling you that they should leave everything the way it is. Have you listened to other commanders or other soldiers from the camp also? Are they in line with what Holy Ghost is saying? That's what you should also understand. Because it could be that some people are feeding well, some are not feeding well. How about that? It could be that once the money is being sent to them, half of the money will not be delivered. How about that? So I'm not here to tell you that I know those things. I'm commenting based on what is in public. So people should understand it, because I don't know what is your problem anyway. You saying that I hate them. I mean, what makes you think that I hate Biafran Liberation Army or hate anybody? Why? Have they done anything wrong with me or not? They have not done anything that I can say, okay, this is I have personal problem with them. No. I'm just telling you that this is what I felt that is the best way to do it. You said that smart people are watching me, that I should check my comment section. I am the one saying that people should always check their comment section. Even in my video that I posted, a few hours ago, you see such comment there that I always go to my comment section, and people should try and, because I expect negative comment and I also expect positive one, but my prayer is that positive one should outnumber the negative one. That's what I want. I've said it in the past, I'm saying it again. And some of you don't understand that when you comment something like this, people can also read that and feel that the person is getting it wrong. That's why I have to come here to debunk it, because I can type a long piece of work, a long note and post it here, but it will not get to people's. People may not have time to read it the way they are going to listen to the video. You understand? So don't tag me with that kind of thing. I don't know why you are saying that anyway. And I don't think I will respond to some comment like this again, because there's no point. The only thing I want you to understand is that I don't hate anybody, and if you see, or maybe if you feel that what I'm saying is wrong, when I'm live, maybe I have my number with me. You can call in and tell Biafrans how bad I am and what you think that I'm getting wrong. I don't mind. I don't block people here. Nobody will tell that I have blocked them. I don't block my comment. Why? Because unless if you're abusing it, then I will restrict you. But I have never for once blocked anybody. This is because I believe that you have right to say what you want to say. Okay, and time will tell when people will begin to understand and see. When people will know the truth, you yourself will, maybe you'll be surprised. Okay, you'll be surprised that people actually pay attention to what is playing out. Remove sentiment and focus on what you want. Okay, that you don't like her, you don't like him, does not mean that everything that you think about them is the way you feel. Another person that normally comment negative stuffs, said that she knows something that I don't know, but she have refused to tell me those things, so that I will be like you. You understand? That thing that I don't know that you know, you can also tell me, so that you can convert me to know those things. I don't see anything wrong with that. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time. I just decided to react on this comment. Thank you, and God bless you.